Hello, my name is Calvin Pham, and today I'll be helping you solve for a side length with the law of cosines. First, we must find the law of cosines formulas for the side lengths. For this formula, we have a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine a. This formula is used to find side length a. The next formula we have is b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine b, and this formula would be used to find side length b. And the next formula is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. And this final formula would be used to find side length c. Next, we are going to use these formulas to try to solve a problem. For example 1, we have considered the triangle ABC below. Suppose that b equals 124 degrees, a equals 15, and c equals 20 to solve for b. To find b, we use the equation b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine b. Next, we substitute in what we know. So we know that a is 15, c is 20, and cosine b is cosine 124. Next, if we plug everything into the calculator, we should get b squared equals 960.5157421. And this is b squared. To get to b, we have to square root it, so it gets rid of the squared sign, and we square root the other side as well. And then, if you put this in the calculator, you would get b equals 30.9921884. And this is how we use this law of cosines to find a side length.